How to find your Windows username. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your Windows username. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take here is first open up your command prompt. So simply search for CMD on your Windows search bar and hit enter. After you're on your command prompt, all you need to do is simply type in who am I. After you type who am I, hit enter and it will give you your username, and it's basically that simple. After doing that, you'll find out your username and your user. So after you do that, you can close up your command prompt, and if you want the another way to do this, simply open up your control panel. So search for control panel on your search bar again, and right here you'll see user accounts. You can tap on user accounts, and after you're on your user accounts, you can simply see your Windows user account. So after you tap on it again, there you will see your user account. And that's basically how you find your username on your Windows. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.